first thing you're going to need to do is turn the vacuum on before you turn the sander on. So once you have the vac on, go ahead and take your board. You're going to slide it underneath the meter on the right-hand side there. Lay it flat on the belt tray. Raise it up. It's going to stop automatically where you're going to sand at. Let's go ahead and turn the machine on, turn the belt drive on. The amperage meter is going to jump up. Then it's going to go about halfway, and down, time to go. Put the board in straight. Taking out the backside, kind of lift up on the end a little bit. Touch pressure on the pressure roller. If you accidentally hit this, it's going to pull the machine. Turn that back on. Your belt drive has to be off, otherwise the machine will not turn on. So turn the belt off and then you can turn the machine back on. If there's an emergency, you can hit these kill switches that are on the front of the machine as well as the back of the machine. So whoever's unloading the wood, if for some reason they need to turn the machine off quick, they can hit that. To turn it back on, just twist the knob. It'll pop back out. Again, make sure the belt drive is turned off before you can turn it back on.